It's here. It finally showed up. 249 gram version, not the other version. 34 minutes flight time per battery. Right there on the box, 34 minutes. That's a long time. All right, let's unbox this thing because, you know, it's a mystery what's in here. And this thing's only been on the market for God knows how long, and no one's ever seen these before. So let's just open this up and see what we find. Taking a page out of Apple here. Look, they got a nice little pulled strip here. All right. Okay, let's open this up carefully. Okay, so inside is the, come on out. Inside is the case that holds everything, because this is the Fly More combo. Here's our case. This is what we'll sling over our shoulder to carry our drone around in. Alright, so let's just start from the outside. Let's see if there's anything in this zipper pocket. Nope, it's empty. Anything else? Nope. Alright, well let's open up and see what we have in here. Oh my God, it's a drone. Okay. Here we have cable, another cable, USB-C to USB-C, USB-A, I guess, to USB-C. A whole lot of extra propellers, which is great. Add this to my collection. A screwdriver to put the propellers on. Ooh, 2 of them, sweet. And instructions. Okay. This right here is the infamous remote controller. This is going to allow me to stop having to hook my phone up when I want to fly this. Not that that other controller's bad. In fact, it's really convenient. I just wanted to get this one. Very nice. There's the thumb screws right here. So you can put a micro USB here and the charging port here. Awesome. Okay, what else? Haha, the much aligned batteries. Now in this package we have 2 batteries, because there's already a third one already in the drone. Very nice. Of course, we will be weighing it just to make sure. This case is pretty nice. Put that right here. We'll put it right here. And finally, the drone. This thing is little. It's pretty cool. It's got this device on here that holds the blades in place. On my Air 2, I had to buy this separately, but this comes with it, so that's pretty nice. All right, it looks like there's a little snap here. This comes off. We'll definitely be saving it because we'll want to use it many times. All right, let's open this up. Oh, this is really cool. here's the current battery that's in there right now. So I'm gonna go get my scale real quick. Okay. 0 grams. Let's put this thing on the scale. 262 grams, what the hell? Of course. I'll take this off. Okay, let's try again. 249 grams. Amazing. Because that extra gram will accommodate the electricity that you put into the battery when you charge it, because that makes it heavier. No, I'm just kidding. So that's cool. All right, so now we're sitting at 249 grams on the nose. We are compliant with the FAA as far as having our trust exam complete. We have CBO flight recommendations. And now we are going to learn all the ins and outs of this drone and see how it works. The only thing we don't have to worry about is registering it or the remote ID, because it's underweight. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.